Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a October 11 variant. We have a question variant 12. We have okay, and question number 6. We have topic is a circular measure. So let's start. First of all, you can see that what a question we have. We have two circles. One circle, one smaller one, and one big circle, and circle 2. And the radius for the bigger is 10. And you know that it is a very clear and common sense. This radius 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Even this also 10. So I think idea is very, very clear. Okay. So radius is 10. Similarly, this is a radius 6, 6, 6, and 6. So it means this AX is also, so AX is 6 and this is a 10. So total becomes 16. In case we can use it, this feature is available. This concept is available anyway. Second number, he said what we have angle given here, pi by 3 here, 6 and 10. And this double arrow mentioned they are parallel to each other. So when two lines are parallel to each other, we can use many important things. Okay, parallel lines concept. By considering the perpendicular distance between DE and AB, okay, where is DE? DE is this gap, AB is this gap. So we have to use this two things and the gap between them. And he said that show that exact theta value should be equal to this. Okay, so what is method? How to find this theta angle? So we naturally, because these two lines are parallel to each other, and he said perpendicular distance. So how to find between two? So I will draw a perpendicular between them. So let's see how we can get it. So first of all, I will make two perpendiculars from E2 downwards and D2 downwards. Okay. So two perpendiculars I made. I hope so you are not getting any issue up till here. Okay. Now, what is my target to get theta? Theta is here. Now, question comes, how I can use this triangle? Problem is what? Because in this triangle, we don't have enough data. Data we can find, okay, this distance and this distance are equal to each other. Whenever two lines are parallel, so gap here, D1, gap here, D2, gap here, D3, all are equal in case if lines are parallel to each other. So this concept will help me to solve the first part. Okay, so first of all, this is I given name N, this I given name M. So DN is first perpendicular, EM is second perpendicular. So you know it, DN perpendicular distance is same like EM perpendicular distance. So I'm using this triangle, okay? So use a triangle ADN. Okay, I can make extra dry diagram even, so I think I can get easily from here. So opposite by, this is the opposite, this is a hypotenuse. So opposite by hypotenuse. So DN by 6 is equals to sine pi by 3. Okay, sine pi by 3, you know it, pi by 3. This is called 60 degrees sine. Okay, this is actually equals to root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2, 1 6 multiplies with that. So root 3 by 2. So I get 3 root 3 centimeters. So it means DN gap is 3 root 3. Similarly, EM gap is also 3 root 3. So yeah, so we can find is EM gap or DM. So we got it. Now I will use this triangle. I'm writing here, use triangle, this one, BENM, triangle BENM. So those two triangles, so I write again, this is a, okay, triangle BENN, okay. And now, so not N, M actually, by mistake I wrote N, okay. Now I use in front of 90 is called hypotenuse, in front of angle is called opposite. Opposite by hypotenuse, all of you know sine theta. So sine theta is equals to EM by EB. Okay, and theta and sine inverse goes there. And all of you know EM is same gap, which is a DN. So it means this value. And 3 root 3. And EB is 10. And congratulations, we got our answer is a fully match. Alhamdulillah. First answer matches is correct. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Let's go for the next plan. And the 3 marks gained, now 5 marks plan. Perimeter of shaded. This is a little bit hard. He said that perimeter of shaded part. So what is the perimeter of shaded part? So if we focus and make it here, so we have this straight length and this arc length and this arc length. So first this is D, this is E, and this point is X. So I have to find straight length DE, then this arc length DX, and then EX arc length. So 2 arc lengths and 1 straight length. This is our plan of action. So let's see how we can get it. So first, let me write a plan. So perimeter of shaded part, of shaded area, so shaded part is equals to DE straight length. Let me write straight length plus EX arc length and plus DX arc length. So we have 2 arc length, 1 arc length, 2nd arc length, and the straight length is very clear. So arc length is not a hard job to get it. Only tough task is DE. This is easy to get. This is easy to get because S is equals to R theta. And look at here. First, when you talk about DX, DX is here. Easy plan. How plan, sir? Look, I have the angle, I have the radius. So I can say S is equal to R theta. Similarly, theta value, we have it. Radius, we have it. We can get this arc length. So our only issue is left DE. Now, interesting part, can I say the DE length is equal to NM length? Why not? So this equation 1, I given a name. So NM length and DE length are exactly equals to each other. Whereas the total length we know is 16 centimeter. So it means from 16 centimeter, if I subtract AN and if I subtract MB, I will get NM. So again, my plan is so simple and clear. So I think I can give a plan here. So let me give it how to get it. So this triangle, I will get AN. So let's try to find AN. So space issue. So I'm writing here left hand side. So from triangle ADN, I'm finding AN. So how to find AN? So adjacent by hypotenuse. AN adjacent by hypotenuse give you cos theta. Pi by 3. Okay, adjacent by hypotenuse give you cos theta. So 6 times 2 cos pi divided by 3. And it give me 3. AN value is sharp 3 value. Repeat again, I'm repeating that AN is a sharp 3. So it means this gap is 3. Now similarly, I need this gap, MB. So I think I'll go to find at this part. Okay, let's try to find NB. So how to get NB? So adjacent by hypotenuse. So MB by 10 is equals to cos theta. And cos theta, okay, theta, we know it, theta is this. So I will type it like this. MB is equals to 10 times 2 in the bracket, times 2 cos. In the bracket of theta, I will write the full as it is. And I think this is not a hard job at all. You understand how and what is the reason I am typing this as it is. You can type it separate or like find it. So I'm finding 10 times 2 cos. In the bracket, I have a sine inverse. And then I have a inner fraction 3 root 3 and divided by 10. And I get the angle, this value is equal to actually, this is a value is coming 8.544. Okay, it means this is a 3, all right. This is a 8.54 and total is 16. So from 16, leave this. So I'm writing on the top now, get ready. What is the plan of action? DE. How to get DE? So DE is equal to from 16, leave AN distance, leave MB distance. This will give us what? AM. Okay. And this is R theta. And this is also R theta. Okay. So I'm going to complete my question. AN value is 3 and NB value is 8.544. Done. And now R theta. R theta 6 theta is pi by 3. 6 times 2 pi by 3. This is the first arc length. And second arc length is 10 times 2 theta. Okay. And theta, I think I will find separate. Better to save my time, save my time. So let's see. So let's see how we can get it. So I'll try to find this angle theta. Okay. So theta is sine inverse of this. So this is coming 0.45. So I'm writing here 10 times 2, space issue. I'm writing down 10 times 2, 0.5464. Okay. And now I'm finding the final answer. And this will give me this into 10 and plus 2 times 2 pi. Okay, I'll check again. So 16 minus 3 minus 8.544. So this I'm typing in calculator first. So after that, plus 2 pi reason, because this 2 pi, because it's very, very clear. And plus 10 times to this, I'm typing in my calculator, 10 times to 0.5464. And answer is coming sharp, 16.2 centimeter is a perimeter. Yes, I think got the concept clear.